Sorry about that. Skunks, raccoon. I trapped over there. It's mostly been catching raccoons. And two skunks and one raccoon, basically. No possums yet. That's good. That means that male or female is the only one here. It's kind. Because I was hoping not. But if I catch it. So get what you have in your mouth. So guys, that big rat. Hey! Baby. Okay. Second. Yeah, but it's been sitting around going to school. I'm on Christmas break already. Yes. Did a little bit of bird hunting. That was fun. Couple of spells and cardinals. Those blackbirds and those little brown birds. But they're not as little as a barn swallow. But yeah. But I'm gonna get some water. And that possum hair is still there. I won't be making too many videos. This is my first one this week. Yeah, this week. I did one last week and the other week, in the same week. So, just telling you, I might go hunting. There might be a little bit fast video coming up after this video of me going bird hunting. So, bye. Like, subscribe, bye.